Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will discuss another application of definite integral, and that is finding the volume of the solid of revolution. So here we will consider one theorem, which is what we call the disk method, and it states that if f is continuous, non-negative function on the closed interval AB. So since it's non-negative, the graph of the function can be located above the x-axis. Okay, so then the solid S obtained by revolving the region R equal to the set of points xy, where x is in between a and b inclusive, and y is in between 0 to f of x. So we have an interval. So if we have our x-axis here, we have a, b, and our function is from 0 to f. Suppose this is our function, f of x. So y equal to f of x. So this is now our region R. Okay? This region R here, ang gagawin dyan is ipapa-revolve about the x-axis. So, therefore, it will rotate here sa x-axis natin. That means that your region now will create a solid. Okay? Like this one here, may reflection yan sa baba. So, magiging ganito siya. Right? So, since it is a solid, we can now solve the volume. Using this formula, V of S is equal to pi times the integral of the square of f of x dx evaluated from A to B. So, A is the boundary sa left, B is yung nasa right, and f of x is yung function na nasa taas. Okay? So, yun lang yung mga kailangan natin. Now, for example, the curve y equal to square root of x, the line x equal to 2 on the x-axis, form the sides of the bounded region R. Find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region R about the x-axis. So here, let us first sketch the graph of the curves. First, x equal to 2, so suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 0, this is negative 1, this is negative 2, 1, 2, negative 1, and negative 2 here. So in this case, we have x equal to 2 is here, so this is a vertical line, so that is x equal to 2. Okay, the x-axis, so x-axis is here, this line here, and y equal to square root of x. So first, let's construct a table of values for this function or curve. So tatlo lang siguro, kaya na. So first, 0. When x is 0, your y is 0. When x is 1, that is square root of 1 is 1. When x is 4, so kailangan perfect square para madaling i-plot yung points. So when x is 4, y is square root of 4, which is 2. So therefore, 0, 0 is here, 1, 1, and 4, 2. So you have 3, 4, so 4, 2 is here. Therefore, our curve is this one here. Okay? So yung region natin ay ito. Okay? The boundary of the four curves. So we have this region R. Okay? So ang gagawin natin sa region R is ipapa-revolve natin about the x-axis. So that means that our figure will have a reflection here sa baba. So we have this one here. Ayan. And magiging ganito siya. Right? So para siyang isang satellite dish. Okay? So para makuha natin yung volume nitong region na to or yung solid na to, we will now use the theorem, and that is V of S is equal to pi times the integral of f of x, so that is the function above, which is this one, and that is actually y equal to square root of x. So we have square root of x. Then that is quantity squared dx. And our leftmost value ng x is here sa 0. And the rightmost is kay 2. So nandito. Right? So you have 0 to 2. So yan lang yung isosolve natin. Medyo madali lang siya. So we now have pi times the integral of square root of x squared is just x dx from 0 to 2. So evaluating the integral, this is just x squared over 2. So x squared over 2 evaluated from 0 to 2. So we now have pi times, this is 2 square over 2 minus 0 square over 2. So that is 4 square over 2 or just 2. So we have 2 pi cubic units since this is a volume. So that answers our problem. So medyo madali lang yung example number 1. Okay? So let's try naman example number 2. So we have here a line y equal to x plus 2 and a parabola y equal to x squared contains a bounded region R between them. Find the volume of the solid generated by revolving R about the x-axis. So first, let's construct the graph of these two curves. So first is for y equal to x squared. So we have x and y. So paulit-ulit na to sa area na topic, diba? So this is 0, 0, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2. So negative 2 square is 4. Negative 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay. So negative 2, 4 is here. Negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. So therefore, again, this is our parabola. Okay. Ayan. So y equal to x squared. Okay. Next is yung y equal to x plus 2. Sige. So we have y equal to x plus 2. So table of values ulit. So we have x, y, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. When x is negative 2, we have 0. When negative 1, negative 1 plus 2 is 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So as you can see, yung point of intersection natin ay negative 1, 1, and 2, 4. Okay, so that is negative 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, and ito. So we have this line here. Okay, so this is y equal to x plus 2. So therefore, our region is itong nandito. So this is our region R. Now, para makabuo tayo ng solid, ipapa-revolve natin siya about the x-axis. So therefore, we will have this form here. So ira-reflect lang yan. So yan. So ayan, no? So this is now our region, solid. So, parang ganito siya. Right? So, this is our solid. Okay? So, I hope ma-imagine nyo yan. Kasi hindi ako masyadong marunong mag-drawing. Okay. Now, in this case, dapat, when we solve the volume using the disk method, mahihirapan tayo dito. Kasi nga, sa disk method, dapat from the x-axis to the curve tayo. But in this case, may dalawa tayong curve. Curve for x square and curve for x plus 2. Right? So, mahihirapan tayo. But kung iisa-isahin natin siya, take note that we have this curve. Parang ganito siya. Diba? Ganyan. And we have something like this. Okay, pag ganyan. And ito. Right? And nagre-revolve yan. Kung ano ba dapat ang shading niyan. Okay? Now, if we will just consider this, itong nandito, which is x plus 2, take note na kung tatanggalin natin yung parabola, ito, so ito lang yung i-consider, dapat yung curve ninyo pa ganito lang. Okay, tama ba? Okay? So, next, if kukunin nyo naman yung sa parabola lang, so dapat yung curve ninyo is parang something like this lang din. Ganyan. Right? Okay. Now, ang kailangan natin ay ito. Itong nandito. So, this is the shaded part. Ayan. At itong nandito. Hindi kasama yung nasa loob. So, therefore, if we will have this volume first or solid first and the second one is here, di ba itong nandito, makukuha siya if i-subtract natin from the whole minus yung second, ito yung lalabas, right? So, yung volume ng solid natin is makukuha kung kukunin natin yung difference ng volume ng first solid minus the volume of the second solid. Okay? Na-imagine nyo ba? Okay. Now, the volume of the first solid can be solved using the formula pi times the integral of the first solid is cx y equal to x plus 2. So that is just our, for example, let's name this one as f of x. So we have f of x dx. Okay, naka-square yan. From a to b. Our a is from negative 1 and b is from 2. So you have negative 1 to 2. Next, in this case, we have minus pi times the integral of, suppose the second curve is y equal to x squared. Suppose that is g of x. So we have g of x square dx from negative 1 to 2. Now, observe, merong common na coefficient, so we can actually factor out the coefficient. Next, yung integral natin, the same yung bounds natin. So, therefore, pwede yung i-combine using the property of integral, and that is just combine natin yung f of x square minus g of x square, okay, dx from negative 1 to 2. Okay? And negative 1 here is our a and 2 is our b. So therefore, we can actually solve the problem using this formula. Okay? So in general, ang tawag dito is the washer method. Okay? If you can imagine a washer, di ba may hole siya? So, pag may hole yung curves na, yung solid natin, washer method ang gagamitin. So, washer method is actually given by this formula, v of s is equal to pi times the integral of the upper function f of x square minus the square of the lower function. So, dapat malaman kung sino yung nasa taas at baba, dx from a to b. In our case, our a is negative 1 and our b is negative 2. Positive 2. So, therefore, we can now solve the problem. So, solving for the integral of the volume of the solid of revolution. Okay, from this problem, we have pi integral of our upper function is yung nasa taas, which is ito. Okay, and that is x squared. So, we have x square minus the lower function is yung parabola, which is, oh no, the upper function is not x squared. It is, okay, it is the line, which is x plus 2 square minus, ang lower function is yung parabola na x square. Okay, dx from negative 1 to 2. So, solving this one, we have pi integral of, expand muna natin. So, this is x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus x raised to 4. Okay, dx from negative 1 to 2. Okay, and that is actually equal to pi times, this is, so integrate natin yung x raised to 4 muna. So, that is negative x raised to 5 over 5. Itong x squared, so that is x cubed over 3. Then 4x, so that is 4x squared over 2. Then plus ang si 4, so that is 4x. Evaluated from negative 1 to 2. Okay? So, from that, we now have pi times, substitute natin. First, si 2, negative 2 raised to 5 over 5 plus 2 cube over 3 plus 4 times 2 square over 2 plus 4 times 2. Okay? Minus, this is negative of negative 1 raised to 5 over 5 plus negative 1 cube over 3 plus 4 times negative 1 square over 2 plus 4 times negative 1. Okay? Then, let's simplify. So, we have, dito na lang, equals, so v of s equals pi times 2 raised to 5 is 32. So, we have negative 32 over 5. Next, we have 8 over 3. We have 2 square is 4 times 4, 16 over 2 is 8. So, this is 8 plus 8. Okay? Minus, we have negative 1 raised to 5 is negative 1 times negative 1. So, that is positive 1 over 5. Negative 1 cube is negative 1 over 3. This is 4 over 2 or just 2. Then minus 4. Okay. So, ayan. Then, let's simplify further. So, this is now negative 32 over 5 plus 8 over 3. This is 16 plus 16. minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 3. This is negative 2, negative, so positive 2. Okay? So from that, we now have pi. Negative 32 minus 1, so that is negative 33 over 5. 8 plus 1 is 9 over 3. 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay? Ayan. So this is now pi times negative 33 over 5. This is 9 over 3 is 3 plus 18 is 21. So that is 21. So we have, this is 105 minus, so this is pi times negative 33 plus 105 over 5. Okay? So 105 minus 33 is 72. So we have 72 pi over 5 cubic units. So that answers our problem. Okay, so I hope may natutunan tayo sa disk method. Okay?